When the night was closing in, I was alone and so afraid. Couldn't see the light. No. Then the world began to spin. Where's the beginning and where's my omega? Have to make it right.
Hello, everyone. So the question of the day is: are we going to go to the moon, or are we going to keep going to the ground? So my name is Christian. Welcome to Morning Investor, and this will be my top stacks that I'm watching for tomorrow and possible continuation to the upside for the next week. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. Never take my advice, as you will always have to do your own diligent research. Everything that I will say on this video it's only for entertainment only. These are my personal swing trades, and I'm bullish on these stocks as long as they can go above and stay above those levels. So let's get this video started. So first of all, let's talk a little bit about the markets. So let's talk a little bit about SPY. Um, this is the 1-day chart. If I go to the 1-hour chart, you notice that we are bullish. We did, if I go on the 4-hour chart, we did hold these levels, which I was expecting to keep going even higher. We have positive price action. Um, I do notice that we might struggle a little bit breaking those 392 levels. But as soon as we break those levels, I'm expecting jumping at all-time highs again, which is 395, 396 levels. So keep an eye on this one. I'm still extremely bullish on the stock market. Other than that, I do expect a little cool-off tomorrow, which tomorrow it's Thursday, the 11th, 2021 on March. I do expect a little cool off tomorrow, um, but let's check QQQ, which QQQ focus on tech sectors. Um, so if QQQ goes up, most likely the tech sector will, start climbing back up. So at the moment, QQQ looks bullish. This is the 4-hour chart. You notice a a little pattern to the downside, which we recently broke. The price action looking bullish. If we go to the 1-hour chart, we can see that we just broke this 200 MA and we retested, which is telling me that we're going to keep climbing back even higher. um, and you can see the MACD, we're also crossing this blue line to the yellow line to the upside. I am extremely bullish. I do think that we're going to hit this level first, 317 to 320. Keep an eye on these two levels. If we break these two levels, the next one will be 325, but I think we're going to be struggling at these levels on here. So this is QQQ. If we check on VIX, it looks like we're trending down at the moment. I do expect VIX trying to recover around these levels, so keep an eye on these levels, which is $20, which is around $20. So under 22, I'm expecting a bounce back around 21 or $20. Once VIX hits that level, I will start looking at the market, if we're good to start buying in again, or is VIX going to keep trending down. But at the moment, I am extremely bullish on the market. Everything looks good. If we check futures, on futures, we're trending higher also. Uh, you notice we broke these levels, we retested. Now the price action is telling us, is trending up. So remember, trend is your friend. So as long as we're trending up, we should be good. MACD looks uh, that is crossing to the upside. So I will not be surprised if we go to those almost 4,000 on ES. Okay, so let's go to my topics for the week or for the month basically, because if you getting into these good deals, I do expect a big recovery for them just because they've been beat up so bad. So the first tag is FCell. You can see if I go on the 1 hour chart, this is my little trend on here from $29 all the way to this level, which was $15. And you notice we broke this 200 MA today, which today is the March 10. We went up, we bounced back, we're still above um, $15, and I do expect a continuation on this stock. And then I do have Sunworks, SNW, SNW, same pattern. You can see we broke this 200 MA. We bounced it back, so I do expect a continuation as long as we stay above $14. I think we can keep going even higher. Back to, let me check, back to this level, which is $16. So keep an eye around this level, $16. If we go even higher, that will be $20. Well, my price target will be $20, but I mean that's for swing. So let's go with Tesla. Tesla, it's into a tech sector, so an EV sector. I mean an EV focus on electric cars. So as long as we stay above 600, 650, 660, I do expect Tesla to bounce back. So we did broke at this 200 MA. We're bouncing here. I do expect a continuation to the upside to 700. But let's see what happens with Tesla. Tesla is a big mover, so don't be surprised for Tesla tomorrow, which is Thursday. So Tesla, NIO at these prices, it's super cheap. Uh, I mean, on NIO we did broke, but then it was a fake out. I hope tomorrow will be a better day for NIO, but I'm looking to get in on NIO as long as we go above 43.50. 43.50, I think we have a good chance to recovery. Um, this, I mean, from last week, I mean from 2 days ago. If you saw the video I posted, the video on NIO, which was around I think $35 when I posted. Right now it's already let me check. Haven't checked the price, but let me check the price. So right now you should be like around plus 20% up already on NIO if you run shares. So this is NIO XBB. I'm bullish on XBB as long as we stay above uh, $30 or 31 levels, I do think we can easily break this little uh, 200 moving average, and then this 200 can become support. But at the moment, I will be watching this one, but at these levels, it should be a good buy, as previously it was from 78 to 58 to now 60, which is almost 65% down. So it should be a good stack to buy for the long term only. So then we have Fastly. Fastly. If you're a new trader, Fastly it's a stack that moves crazy, crazy. You can see we're getting close from this 200 moving average. So tomorrow, as long as we stay above 70, I do expect a big run on Fastly around 76 to $80. So don't be surprised if we make that move even tomorrow, depending on how market does. But I'm extremely bullish on the market, so I do expect this a big recovery on Fastly. This is Fastly, and then we have Gina, uh, Golden Nugget Gaming, and you notice that we do have this same pattern to the downside, and we just broke yesterday. I do expect a continuation at least to this level, which is $17, as long as we stay above 15. So expect a little drop, maybe a little drop, and then continuation to the upside, which this is a cup and handle, a little farther. It can also be a double bottom on here, but it looks more like a little cup and handle. I do expect at least 17 or $20, or even higher, but this is a good swing play. Then we have Tilray, with stacks. If you check on the 4-hour chart, we're hitting the 200. I mean, the price action is moving up from here. So as long as we break this this 200 moving average, we will keep going even higher or even crazy. But don't be surprised because Tilray tends to move a lot. So at these prices, it's a steal for Tilray. Same with SNDL. SNDL, it's a penny stack, has a lot of cash on hand. It's I cannot say the name, but that sector, um, the president might approved, everywhere. So don't be surprised if SNDL goes back to $5 in the future, maybe from here to like 6 months. So this is SNDL, PLTR. Don't forget about that stack. That stack is super cheap at the moment. This. Uh, we just crossed this 200 moving average. I do expect uh, a big upside move from 24, not 25, all the way to 28, $30. Don't be surprised if we make a move on the short term. And um, so remember, all of these prices, depending on how the market does tomorrow, we will see the move on them. Remember, I didn't chart Bitcoin just because Bitcoin is super high at the moment, but I am bullish on Bitcoin as long as we stay above this level, which is 53 to 54,000. If Bitcoin is up, expect Mara, Riot, all of them to start going up. And that's it for today. I hope you guys like this video. If this video gave you any kind of value to you, feel free to smash the like button. comment below, subscribe, share this to friends that are new into investing. I will be posting more videos and updates, and that's it for today.